If you're facing problems logging into your Revolut account, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Also check if you have any updates pending for your Revolut app. If yes, simply go ahead and update it from your App Store or Play Store. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you have entered the correct email and password. Make sure that you have double checked it because passwords are case sensitive. If not, you can simply click on forgot password and click on send reset link, where they're going to send you a reset link on your email. If that is not the case, go to status.revolut.com to check if the servers are up and running. If not, you might need to simply go ahead and wait or even clear cache. Something not many people know is that their date and time settings also interfere with login. Simply make sure that your date and time is on automatic date and time and automatic time zone. If you're using any kind of VPN, that is a big no, turn it off and check if there are any account restrictions. If so, simply contact Revolut support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.